As a D7 graduate, I've seen what this district means to families. Hi, I'm Tanya Sterlini, the school board president, and I want to welcome you to Dearborn Heights School District number 7. Here we create opportunities for every student to succeed.
At D7, students are part of a school community where they're known, supported, and never lost in the shuffle. We're a smaller district with big opportunities ranging from robust academics and AP classes to dual enrollment and hands-on learning experiences at every level.
We're building with Legos and it's really fun.
We've got great athletics and arts programs like conference-winning teams, a strong swim program, packed band concerts, and theater productions. You'll see our commitment to the students everywhere. Updated playgrounds and improved learning environments, safer drop-off loops, and a district-wide boot system to protect students and staff.
Because we all want to be safe at school.
Students also benefit from programs that support the whole child, including social-emotional supports and 2 well-loved therapy dogs who are part of our school community. Whether it's on the field, in the pool, on stage, or in the classroom, students at D7 get involved, build confidence, and succeed. Come see the D7 difference for yourself.